The future of warfare, emerging technologies. Warfare is rapidly evolving, driven by the rise of cutting-edge technologies that are reshaping the battlefield. From autonomous drones to hypersonic missiles, the nature of combat is being redefined, posing new challenges and opportunities for military strategy. Autonomous weaponry, the rise of drones and robots. Drones, unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, are becoming increasingly autonomous, capable of carrying out complex missions without human intervention. Robots. Autonomous ground vehicles and robotic systems are being developed for a wide range of military applications, from reconnaissance to heavy-duty transport. Benefits. These autonomous systems reduce the risk to human soldiers, increase precision, and can operate in environments too dangerous for manned missions. Hypersonic missiles, redefining speed and precision velocity. Hypersonic missiles can travel at speeds exceeding Mach 5, making them extremely difficult to detect and intercept. Maneuverability. These missiles can change direction and altitude rapidly, enhancing their ability to penetrate advanced air defense systems. Precision hypersonic technology allows for highly accurate targeting, enabling strikes on hardened or time-sensitive targets. Directed energy weapons, lasers and electromagnetic pulses. Laser weapons. High-energy lasers can be used to destroy or disable targets with precision and speed, offering a cost-effective alternative to traditional munitions. Electromagnetic pulses. Directed energy weapons can generate powerful electromagnetic pulses capable of disabling electronic systems, disrupting communications, and damaging critical infrastructure. Advantages. These directed energy systems provide a non-kinetic approach to warfare, reducing collateral damage and allowing for more selective targeting. Quantum computing, breaking encryption, enhancing intelligence. Encryption vulnerabilities. Quantum computing poses a significant threat to secure communications and data protection, as it has the potential to break current encryption methods. Data analytics. Quantum algorithms can process and analyze large datasets much faster than classical computers, offering a significant advantage in intelligence gathering and decision-making. Simulation and modeling. Quantum computers can simulate complex systems and scenarios, enabling more accurate predictions and strategic planning for military operations. Artificial intelligence, automating decision-making in combat. Autonomous systems. AI is being used to develop autonomous drones and robots that can conduct reconnaissance missions, attack targets, and provide logistical support without human intervention. The goal is to reduce risk to human soldiers and enhance battlefield effectiveness. Predictive analytics. AI algorithms analyze vast amounts of intelligence data, including satellite imagery, social media feeds, and sensor data, to anticipate enemy movements, predict the effectiveness of different strategies, and identify potential threats. This information can help commanders make more informed decisions and optimize their tactics. Decision support. AI-powered decision support systems are being developed to provide commanders with real-time information and recommendations, helping them to make complex decisions quickly and effectively in dynamic combat environments. This can be particularly helpful in situations where time is of the essence and information is constantly changing. Biotechnology, enhancing soldier capabilities. Augmented physiology. Biotechnological advancements can enhance the physical and cognitive abilities of soldiers, such as improved strength, endurance, and reaction time. Regenerative medicine. Developments in regenerative medicine and tissue engineering can help treat injuries and illnesses more effectively, reducing combat casualties. Cybernetic interfaces. Integrating biotechnology with advanced cybernetic systems can create a seamless human-machine interface, allowing for more intuitive control of military equipment. Cyber warfare, attacking critical infrastructure disruption. Cyber attacks can target and disable critical infrastructure, such as power grids, transportation systems, and communication networks, disrupting military and civilian operations. Espionage. Sophisticated cyber tools can be used to infiltrate networks, steal sensitive data, and gather intelligence on enemy capabilities and plans. Sabotage. Cyber attacks can be leveraged to sabotage military operations, disrupt supply chains, and undermine decision-making processes, giving adversaries a strategic advantage. 3D printing, revolutionizing logistics and weapon production. Logistics 3D printing can revolutionize military logistics by enabling on-demand production of spare parts and equipment, reducing the need for complex supply chains. Weapon production additive manufacturing can be used to create customized, complex weapon components and systems, allowing for greater flexibility and responsiveness in production. Rapid prototyping 3D printing technology can enable the rapid development and testing of new military designs, accelerating the pace of innovation in defense capabilities. Conclusion: ethical considerations and the changing landscape of war. Ethical challenges. As these emerging technologies reshape the nature of warfare, it is crucial to consider the ethical implications and challenges they present. Questions of autonomy, accountability, and the potential for unintended consequences must be carefully addressed to ensure the responsible development and use of these powerful tools. Balancing progress with ethics. Balancing the pursuit of technological advancement with ethical considerations is critical to ensuring that the future of warfare remains in the realm of responsible and human-centered control.